Yes, folks, hello. Today we're going to teach you how to tie the belt, and I'm going to be asking the dojo, obviously for the beginner students. So let's learn how to tie the belt, shall we? Okay. So you need to find your belt first of all. Right, I found mine. It's sitting over here. All right. Find the middle of the belt first. So you try to angle the two edges onto the floor, just so they're touching the floor evenly. Okay. You then take the center of the belt, put it underneath your belly button. Take it around the back. You're going to crisscross over the back, okay? Bring it back round to the front. You're then going to take your right side. You're going to put it flat. You then take the left side and put it over those pieces of the belt. You now have three pieces of belt sitting here. If you look down, you'll see 1, 2, 3, okay? You can use your left hand to grip the center of the belt now. You take the side that's coming to your right, fold it under and put it underneath all three of those belts. Not two, not one, all three, okay? And then bring it back up to the top. All right, you can see now that it comes up to the top and folds over. Your left side is going straight down to the bottom, okay? You can adjust it if it feels uncomfortable. The left side should be a little bit longer though than the right side. Now, the one that comes out the bottom, you save it or you keep it underneath, okay? You keep it underneath. You can then take your left hand, you can pinch where it crosses, okay? Take the one that comes out underneath, fold it over and go into the loop. All right, you keep going with that right hand there. You now exchange. Now you're holding both ends of the belt and you simply tie it, okay? A little bit of a swish and then you can fold it over. All right, from there, you'll make sure that your belt is sitting even, all right? Once your belt is nice and even and it's nice and tight, you can then adjust your dogi. That's a karate suit. And there you have it. All right, around the back and into the front. Make sure that your belt sits like two arms, or like a bulldog maybe, hey? Like a bulldog, all right? If one is going up like this or they're very close to each other, you've done something incorrect, okay? So go back and have a look at the video, and I hope this will help you learn how to tie your belt. Boss.